cheese, 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 cheese. Welcome into the Studio 10 kitchen. Lucy Greer is here on this Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you.
Happy Valentine's Day.
And that's kind of what we're talking about today. Some fun stuff you could do with your loved one, either preparing together or preparing for them.
Yes, exactly. We are putting together a meat and cheese board today, and a lot of people are really into this lately. It's so fun to go out and to get a board and share a few drinks with friends or your Valentine or whoever. So it's nice to be able to do it at home. Several people have asked me, well, how do you know what to put on there, or how do you know what pairs well together? And the most important thing is choose something that you like. So,
Right.
Don't feel like, oh, well, she put grapes on there, I have to put grapes on there. It's just all about, choosing the types of cheeses that you like and the fruit and, whatever crackers you like. And it's just more about the fun and social aspect of it rather than, making sure that everything's exactly perfect.
So with that in mind, what types of cheeses and things did you bring us for us today?
I typically like to choose some ones that are, different textures. So we're going to do a creamy camembert, which is like brie, but it's from a different area in France. And we're also going to do a cheddar. I love cheddar, and this one is garlic and herb.
Ooh,
and
yeah.
then this one's kind of semi-soft. It's not a really hard cheddar. It's not aged very long, so it's a little bit softer. And then, like I said, this one is kind of soft and creamy. And then this is a hard cheese that you can see the package. It's Sartori cheese, which is a really great family that makes cheese here in the States, and this is a balsamic infused one. And then we made our cheese ball already. So this was cream cheese. I typically like to put goat cheese on ours because we really love it, but because I use cream cheese for this cheese ball, I just decided not to do goat cheese. So this is an olive cheese ball we put together with some cream cheese, black and green olives, and just spice it up a little bit. And it's right here, and this one has already been in the fridge. So as you can see, once it hardens up in the fridge, then you can really form it into a ball in your plastic wrap here. And now we are just going to roll it. I just chose pistachios today because they're pretty and they're really yummy, and you could use anything though, pecans or walnuts. So all you do is just put a rough chop on them and put it on a plate, and so then you just roll it around.
And pretty and yummy is a good combination, correct?
Pretty and yummy is a perfect combination.
Speaking of good combinations, if you want to figure out what your combination is for a Valentine's Day dinner, there's a lot going on at Greer's. Everything from chocolate-covered strawberries. You were mentioning steaks as well, things like that? Yes,
we have, any type of steak cut that you'd like. All of our stores still have butchers. We still have meat cutters, butchers on staff every single day. So whatever cut you would like, they're right there in the store to cut it for you. We sell Black Angus beef. It's select, and it is the perfect combination of lean to fat. So some steaks that you get are so fatty that it's not as healthy for you. So the ones that we carry every day, that Black Angus Select, it's just a really good combination of flavor, price, within talking about the health benefits of it too. So it's a really, really good option.
Yeah, lots of great options for you. Whether you want to try to make one of these cheese boards with all these selections, whether you want to get dessert with those chocolate-covered strawberries, or whether you want to grill out. You can pick up one of those Black Angus steaks, freshly cut. At the store. All right, so you're starting to put this together.
Yep, so you just pop it on the whatever platter you want to use, and I just put some grapes on there. And then, of course, when you're putting something together, you just want to, kind of break it up by color and kind of by variety too. So, and depending on how many people you're feeding, you can just pick out how much you think that you're going to need. So just pop this into the other corner, and then we'll drizzle some caramel sauce on that a little bit later because I like to do something sweet on my brie. But another option, pepper jelly down on brie is a really good idea.
All right, this all sounds good. It looks fantastic. We're going to have more with Lucy coming up in just a little while. Make sure to do your Valentine's Day shopping at Greer's if you get a chance. Thanks a lot, Lucy.
Thank you.